Welcome to Basic Skills. Today we're going to be using a scythe to cut a little bit of hay here. So first thing you want to do is make sure your scythe is sharp. If you don't know how to sharpen a scythe, you can check out my other video on sharpening a scythe. But then you're just going to hang on to it like this. This is a bit of a newer version. A lot of the older versions had a handle like this and both handles were upright. And you're just going to hold it a couple inches off the ground, and you just want to make sure your swings are completely parallel to the ground. And just go straight across, nice big sweeping strokes, and just cut a couple inches at a time. And you don't want to twist your blade down or up at all. You want it to just sweep straight across, and the grass just runs right along the blade there, and it just gets cut off right as you just sweep it past. And your first stroke will cut it down, then your second stroke will push it over kind of into a windrow right there.